Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a really fast unboxing of my new luxury item. And it was a gift from my mom. So shout out to my mom. So I'm gonna do this real fast because I need to leave this 4th of July and I got to hit the street. Okay, so anyway, I got a Saint Laurent bag. And it just comes like this. I've had this bag for a while, but I got it right before the quarantine, so I didn't have anywhere to go, so I haven't used the bag. But today I'm going outside, so she's coming with me. So, you know, the classic black and white. This is how the bag comes in this box. Really nice, sturdy box. It's really nice, right? And then open it. This is another item I'm gonna show you. So the bag is gonna come like this. I did open the bag already because I have been lusting over this bag. So the bag is gonna come in the dust bag. It's gonna be in this paper wrap, which is also black. And then it's gonna be also have this bow on it. Okay, so I love this bag so much. Okay, and here she goes. We have the Saint Laurent Cameraloo bag in the color black with the brass hardware, and it's quilted. Just go like this. So when you first get the bag, it's going to have this like protective wrap on the strap. Okay, and then it's gonna be stuffed like this. Then it also has a tassel. I don't know where my tassel went. I lost my tassel. I don't know what happened to my tassel. So strange. Okay, it has to be in here. Okay, hold on. So, found it. I was about to be like, hold on. Code red. But the bag comes with this beautiful tassel, and then it has just Saint Laurent hardware, and then it has like kind of like a luggage tag looking thing, but also it says Saint Laurent Paris. I got this bag at the Beverly Center. I have the receipt, so I'll let you guys know the price and everything like that. So what comes with the bag is, I believe this is like the care instructions. I haven't done too much to the bag, so let's see what it is. By the way, this is my first Saint Laurent bag. I have a Speedy, but the Speedy is like, you have to hold it like this. And I like to be hands-free. So my mom gifted me with this bag. So, oh yeah. It just gives you the textile information. Sorry you guys, it's so hot. Yeah, so this is the instruction pamphlet. And I keep all of this. I keep everything. So again, so the bag is gonna be stuffed with this paper. I'm gonna keep this paper too. It's like 3-4 of these things. Okay, so the bag itself is pretty deep. It's really pretty. And then on the side here, you have like a side pocket, which is really cool. And then you have just the Saint Laurent little thing there. So again, this is a crossbody bag, and I'm like 5'8", so I'm pretty tall. And so I'm gonna put the tassel on. I'm gonna put it on that side, and then you have you can adjust the lengths. I'm gonna put it on the lowest because I'm tall and I want it to kind of hang a little bit. So that's how we're gonna do that. And then you can, the leather is really structured. So check her out. Let's see. Yep. Yep. And again, I'm like 5'8", so you can't hardly see, but that's it. It's really pretty. I really like it. And that's the Camera Lou bag. Okay. And then next, I got a smaller but good, so it keeps up with the same simple box, black box. Pull it over. Then it comes in a dust bag also. I don't know the name of this, I forgot. I'll list everything below. And then it's the same scheme, kind of like the quilted leather, the YSL, and the like brass hardware. And this wallet is like really, this is a key card holder. It's like really structured, really tight, so I'm gonna have to loosen up over time. So you have 3 slots in the front. 1, 2, 2 slots. 1, 2. So excuse me, it's actually 2 slots in the front, 2 slots in the back, and then just 1 main major compartment with the Saint Laurent Paris hot stamp. And it just comes with a blank false card. Okay, so let's get the receipt holder. So let's see how long I have this bag. So I got this bag February 23rd. Okay, so the bag, the Camera Lou bag retails for $12.50, and the wallet resells for $2.75. And my mom bought me both. She gifted me with both. Love this bag. All right, so that's it for that bag. But one more thing that I got during quarantine that I was super excited about are my Gucci shades. So I'll link the information down below for these also. So I'm gonna do the receipt. So I got these from Bloomingdale's, and these are the Gucci Women's Oversized Square. I believe it's like 54 milliliters. And these retail for $3.90. Every time I tried to find them on the Gucci website, I could never find them, but I never had any issue finding them at a retail store, like at a retail store. They just sell out, but they usually restock them. But I've heard people have actually a hard time finding these. So when you order your shades or anything off of the internet, well, at least Bloomingdale's, you can expect it to be delivered in this classic brown box. Okay, your glasses will be covered in this like styrofoam like protectant. Okay, because I bought these for myself, I wrote myself a little gift card. What did I say? I actually forgot. I put, can you guys see that? It says "to me from me." And then it came in like this little envelope from Bloomingdale's. Someone has sent you a gift. I sent me a gift. So bam, if you guys don't know, I wore these glasses, but I'm just showing you guys. If you guys don't know, when you order Gucci glasses, they come in like a surprise colored case. They're really pretty. They have the purple ones. I think there's like a blue one, like a teal one, and a lime green one. So by surprise, I got this purple one, and purple's my favorite color. It looks really good. But when did I get these? Because what I have noticed, I got these April 30th. Yeah, April 30th. So I've had them for a while. And what I did notice over time, the velvet, the color of the case is not as vibrant as it was when I first got it. But anywho, you open them up like this. The end, just really pretty. Really, really pretty. Nice quality, heavy case. You'll have the Gucci hot stamp and the beautiful lime green interior. I think they all come with the lime green. Really heavy case. When you order from Bloomingdale's, it should come with a cloth, and it should come with, according to color, dust bag, open it. These are I think these are the 54 milliliters or something like that. I'll tag all the information below, and then it has the thick Gucci sign right here. They're to die for. For me, they're not really heavy. They don't bother me. I'll show you. They're not heavy. They're real pretty. They go with everything. They're just like, they give you the, who you talking to? Who? I thought you said something. But all right, I gotta go, y'all. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, let me know if you guys had any problems finding these shades like I was reading, because I really had no problem. They were really easy. I just couldn't find them on the Gucci website, but any other retail store I searched them on, they were available. Only one, and they sold out too. So that's it.